A very good welcome to all of you. Okay, in this particular session, we'll be discussing about function. So we'll see how to write a very simple program on function. So function have different types and all this thing which we're not going to discuss right now. Okay, we're going to see a simple function. We already know that in order to define or declare a particular function, so what we need to do is that the function should have a name, right? So let us say the name of the function is okay, right? Name of the function is display, okay, right? And since it is not going to return anytime, so I'm just putting void, which we'll going to discuss more in detail. And I'm putting an fn at the end so that it makes me realize that this is something called a function. So this is the declaration of a function. So we have this particular function name. So this is the function name. So I'm writing here. So displayFN is the name of the function. Okay. So this is the name of the function, and so we are not putting anything out here inside, right? Okay, yes, and it is nothing returning nothing and all. Okay, so this is the declaration of a particular function itself. Now let us define the function. Let so void. Okay, so in this function, what we are going to do is that we are trying to display the hello world. Okay, right? So void function fn. Okay, so I'm writing printf hello world. Okay, right? Yes, hello world. So now this is the definition of the function. Okay, right? Of the function display fn. Okay, right? So right. So let us right. So what we have seen that we have declared a function. The name of the function is display fn. Okay, and we have said what the function will going to do. The function is simply printing hello world. Oh, it has to be have a semicolon out here. Okay, now what we know in C programming, the entry point of anything is the main function. So it will enter into the main function, then it's not execute. So right. So now we need to execute the function. So in the form of the main function, we need to call this particular function. So I simply write display fn, open bracket, close bracket. Yes. So now what will happen whenever you will compile this? Okay, they will come to know, okay, you have a function called as display fn. Okay, where is the body of the function? The body of the function is this. So we have what exactly the function is doing. We are printing hello world. Okay, now once this particular execution starts, so it will come to this particular main. Okay, then it will come to this particular function. Okay, so when it is seeing this particular function, okay, right? So what is going to happen is it is nothing but a function call. So it will completely directly come to here to this. Okay, then it will print hello world. Okay, right? And then it will again return back to this particular statement, right? So immediately after the statement that is there in the function. Okay, then okay, the entire function will go, entire main function will be terminated. Okay, and we'll have the hello world. Okay, let us execute it. Yeah, so you can see the hello world. Okay, so what exactly I'm repeating again. So whenever you are declaring a function, we have the name of the function. Okay, then open bracket, close bracket. Okay, right? So right. Okay, and inside that also we can have something which you call as argument or parameter selector and some kind of return type which is a void which is no return type. So this is something the declaration. So we have declared it. Okay, so we have declared it before the main. Now what we have done is that we have defined this function. Okay, so this particular function is what is printing the what do you say hello world. Okay, right. So now we need this particular function need to be called. So where we will going to call it? From this particular main function. This is something which is called as function call. Okay, right. So this is function call. So once it comes to the main function, okay, then it will come to this. Okay, it said a function call, it will come here, it will print hello world, and then we'll say that is the reason why you have seen this particular output as hello world. Okay, so that's the simple function itself. Hope you have liked this video, and in the next video we will talk about more on function itself.